joining this course just to expect to mingle around with other people as well, and then yeah, maybe we know something how to cook. Yeah, new ingredients, what is behind of this course, cooking course. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting.
Avocado, go, go, go! Bye. Bravo, bravo, what an exercise! Go carrot, go, go, go! Yummy, yummy, in my tummy, yummy-licious!
One, two, three, go! Ba 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 banana. Ba 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 banana. We are Indian.
This one is memang very different lah. I've never macam like join this kind of team building. So I think it's great. We have to work hard untuk dapatkan ingredients yang kita nak masak. So our team is very happy with the ingredients that we got. We literally got everything that we planned to have. What we are cooking is a surprise, so watch it and you will know later.
Okay. We're done. This is our 2 dishes. You can see very nice from the master chef and our team. And this is the soup for our noodle. And you can see it's a very balanced, healthy meal that we are preparing here.
I think it's a very good move by your company to start doing this. It's very different from other team building events.
It's very fun and engaging. I think fun is one of the objectives for team building lah. Yes, I will recommend for in-house to me to get this course as a part of their team building.